Wow. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back. So I want to see like 200 likes. If I get 200 likes, then you guys will surely get another DIMASH reaction. After this, if I don't see 200 likes, then eventually I'll have to forfeit that. So on this reaction, I'll be reacting to DIMASH featuring MANSUR, QUDAIBERGEN, OMIR, live. So without further ado, let's see what the collaboration detailed about. I'll see you there. Peace. Let's go, guys.
Өмір күндер менен күндер жалғасқан өмір мұң менен шаттық алмасқан саған болып қалған өмір сүйіктетіп сүюді үйреткен көңіл қолас еткейден еліктен сырлары көп жалған өмір саған қоштарман.
I'm very excited for this one, guys. To be honest, it's been a while since after DIMASH post a video singularly, right? It's been a while. It's been like about 3 weeks now since DIMASH have made a post, and I'm really happy for this one. To be honest, he came back with a banger, and this is gonna be a very great song, right? DIMASH never fails, like literally never fails, right? He always seems to give us a song that is very gravitating, very touching, and very inspiring, right?
Амға бош арман ақ бұлттай арманға махаббат өлі талмайтын шараланбайтын болса жалғанда кейде жас көктем боп тым өктем боп дауылдатсаң дағы өмір.
Whoa. Let us take the time out to buy DIMASH a drink, because he always seems to give us a song with a different voice, right? It always gets us to the point where we just can't get enough, right? And this is the reason why DIMASH takes his time to give us music, because his music literally have a long-lasting, substantial feeling whenever time you sit down to listen to DIMASH's music or his performance. And I gotta say, compliments on the music, compliments on the guitar playing, right? Mr. Mansur here is doing a very great job blending into DIMASH's voice. It is giving us a relaxing, calm, spirited vibe.
Zaman men sаған ғашықпын мен саған аялаймын бағалаймын тағдыр жылатпа арманның жолында мені қолдап өмір құлатпа.
Wow. So DIMASH is one of my favorite singers out there, because he's from Kazakhstan, right? That is a country I never been to, but just because of DIMASH's music, I'm literally intrigued to know how well that place is really is right now, because Dimash is a very great man. His voice is very good. And I'm wondering, how does that place, right, affects anyone around the world in terms of music, the culture, everything, because Dimash seems to be a good guy here, right? And with his music, it tells a lot, bro.
қателесіп өкіндіріп кешірім сұратпа келер ертең тағы жаңа шақыт күн әттең тоқтам жоқ шіркін уақыттың.
Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Right? He always give us this niceness about his voice. I mean, like the way we bring across the different changes in his voice, it always gravitates, right? You lean, right? You're feeling it, right? So I gotta say, Dimash is one of the best singers out there, to be honest, no cap, right? This is just a calm side of Dimash. We know Dimash capabilities are abnormally good. Yeah, he's very good, very, very good, like a really good singer. But this is just a calm side of Dimash, right?
Ағын болған жылдар бақыт көгершіні ұшып келеді оның тұрақтар жоқ па мекені амалым не қайран алмасқан пахналар басқан.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Right? I'm feeling amazingly well right now because of the way how we bring forth his songs, right? The way how he carries himself whenever time he's singing. He's giving an expression of what the song felt like if you sit there and you listen to it keenly. And this is the reason why Dimash always seems to deliver his songs at the right time, at the right place. He give us a proper song, right? An excellent performance, right? This is just Dimash we're speaking of, right? This one that have many voices. It's so good. It's really so good. We have to give him the compliments all the time, bro.
Ашылар парақтар сапарлас дос табыстырған қош айтыстырған өмір жаратқан теңселтпей кемемді кетсең енді.
To be honest, I never really knew that Dimash could play piano while singing. And all the things that he could just sing with a mic and his audience that are listening to him, but I never knew that he was so talented when it comes on to playing any form of musical instruments. This is another milestone accomplishment for Dimash as well. This is very new to me. I never saw him yet doing this kind of thing, playing piano while singing. I guess this is a very great practical thing for Dimash right now because he's doing it so great. He's accomplishing it so greatly. And I gotta say, bro, you're skilled. He's very skilled.
Қолсыз қайсың маған өмір, ризамын мен саған, ғашықпын мен саған, аялаймын бағалаймын тағдыр жылатпа арманың жолында елім қолдауы бір құлатпа.
Wow. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Stunning voice, bro. He never disappoints, bro. Never.
қателесіп өкіндіріп кешірім сұратпа кешірім сұратпа.
Outstanding, bro. This is outstanding. I gotta say, bro. Phenomenal performance, my G. This was literally an inspirational song. It's it's giving me the vibe, bro. I gotta say, this literally made my day. And Dimash, keep up the good work, my G. You have done well. Once more, you never disappoint. So if you guys did enjoy that song and also this reaction, don't forget to leave a like on the video, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.